Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Ellen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few organizing products that I've purchased from Amazon for my kitchen. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has become a subscriber here on my channel. I truly appreciate the support. So right now I'm only at 41 subscribers, which, to be honest with you, is really awesome because I have not told anybody about this channel other than my sister and my mom. So it's pretty cool to see how much it has grown just organically, and I hope that it continues to grow. I realize that 41 subscribers in the grand scheme of things is not that much for some of these other channels. However, I am so thankful for all 41 of you who decided to take a chance on me and decided to check out my channel and see what I have to offer. So I just want to send out a sincere thank you to you guys. And if you have any suggestions for any videos or anything that you would like to see, please comment down below because I'm open to new ideas and hearing things that you guys might like to see. So I don't know about you guys, but I love Amazon. It is so convenient because I can order whatever I need to order on there and it is shipped directly to my front door. I also love it because I can literally find anything I'm looking for. So when it came to organizing my kitchen, it was a no-brainer that I would find whatever products I need on Amazon. And so today I'm going to share those products with you. The first product is this Ucopia Lid Organizer. I love this organizer because it comes with dividers that you can adjust as you need to be able to fit the size lids that you have. And it's just really functional. I don't know if you've ever had the problem where you have a food container and you can't find the lid for it and you're searching, rummaging through drawers and things like that. This organizer really makes it super simple to find the lid that you need. I also like this organizer as well. It's very similar to the Ucopia one, but it's a little more open. And I think this organizer works a lot better for my baking pans. I use it in this cabinet here to organize my baking pans and make it easier to find what I am looking for. My second organizational product for the kitchen are these spice containers. I love these spice containers because they give my spices just a clear and cohesive look to them. It makes it really easy to find what I'm looking for because everything fits in the drawer perfectly. Now you'll notice I used, also from Amazon, and I'll link this down below as well, but I used the spice organizer foam, I guess you can call it, to organize my spices into the drawer. I do eventually hope to upgrade this into the stacking organizer to make it a little bit easier. But for now, this works just fine. Product number 3 is this egg bin that I purchased off of Amazon. It holds 24 eggs, 2 sets of 12, and it's a drawer, so you can just pull the drawer out and get the eggs you need. I really like it because the drawer catches on the edge. So if you pull the drawer all the way out, there's no chance of the drawer coming completely out and then falling on the floor and you lose all your eggs. It catches it so that you don't drop any eggs on the floor. I really like it because it's uses that vertical space because it's 2 drawers on top of each other, and it's just very useful and helpful in my refrigerator. Products number 4 and 5 are these bamboo organizers that I use to organize my plastic bags and my foil and wax paper and plastic wrap. These are all the rage on TikTok and Instagram right now, but I can tell you when I purchased them, I was a little bit skeptical, do I really need this? But these organizers have just changed the game for me in this drawer. Before, this drawer was super messy, super difficult to find anything you need. And now I just open the drawer and can very easily find everything that I'm looking for. And product number 6 is these acrylic bins, or these acrylic drawers that I purchased off of Amazon as well. And I use them in both my pantry, and I have a couple under my sink to hold my dishwasher pods and my sponges. But they are very easy to use. I like the fact that they're clear, so you can see what is in them and you can see how much you have left. I personally don't have labels on these yet, because I am a label queen. So eventually I do plan to put labels on them, but I'm still kind of feeling them out to see what exactly I want to keep in these for, you know, the future. But I just love these acrylic drawers. I actually purchased the set that is in my pantry for my bathroom, but if you saw my bathroom organization video, and if you didn't, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you. But in that video, I had plans to use it in my bathroom cabinet, but it didn't use the space very well. In my pantry, it pretty much takes up the majority of the shelf, so it uses the depth of the shelf a lot better for me. And the 7th product and the last product for today is going to be these can organizers. They are kind of big and bulky, and I've been considering changing them out, but I have to say that they work really, really well for my pantry. I have 2 of them. I use one of them for canned goods, like its intended purpose. But I also use the other one for bottled water. It just makes it really easy to get the water that we need, and it holds the water in a very cohesive way. So that's it for me today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and enjoy organizational videos and crafting videos and just videos about mom life in general, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps to grow my channel and it helps me to reach more viewers out there.